If you're experiencing views and clicks, it indicates proximity to generating leads, and leads translate into revenue. However, earning revenue is contingent upon understanding how to garner views and clicks and effectively convert them into leads. In today's video, I'll guide you on acquiring targeted individuals who are likely to click on your CPA link, increasing the chances of conversion into leads and, ultimately, revenue. But before we delve into that, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you're a first-time viewer, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Now, let's navigate to CPAGrip.com. Many of you probably have an account on this network, but if you don't, check out my other CPA marketing tutorial for guidance on creating a free account. Once you're logged in, head to the offer tools and then navigate to My Offers. Before selecting any offer, visit the website called Linktree. The rationale behind visiting this particular website stems from the desire to amalgamate several CPA offers into a singular, unified link using Linktree. The strategic approach involves redirecting traffic to the Linktree website rather than directly steering it towards our individual CPA offers. Upon reaching the Linktree platform, initiate the process by clicking on the Sign Up Free button. Proceed to input a chosen username and email, subsequently creating your free account. Once successfully logged into your account, the dashboard will be presented in the following manner. To compile a diverse array of CPA offers, navigate to the Add New Link option. Simultaneously, access the CPAGrip website to curate a selection of offers tailored to different countries. Begin by designating the United States as the target country and opt for a specific CPA offer, such as a PayPal gift card. Extract the title from CPAGrip and seamlessly integrate it as the designated title on Linktree. Returning to CPAGrip, retrieve the corresponding link and seamlessly embed it within the Linktree platform as the associated link. Upon reaching this stage, you may notice the label Unsafe URL and the link appears excessively lengthy. To address this, we aim to enhance the URL safety and reduce its length using a platform called TinyURL. Navigate to the TinyURL website where you'll find an option to enter a long URL to make a tiny URL. Paste the lengthy CPA link here, click Make Tiny URL, and witness its transformation into a compact, shortened version. Copy the shortened URL and return to the Linktree interface. Replace the existing URL with the tiny URL and you'll observe the elimination of the unsafe URL warning. Additionally, for clarity on the target audience, consider adding a country code at the beginning of the title. In this case, since the offer is exclusive to the US, prepend US to the title. This ensures that the geographical focus is evident. Now, having successfully added one offer tailored to the US, the next step involves incorporating more CPA offers catering to diverse countries. Return to CPAGrip, choose the United Kingdom as the target country this time, and select another gift card offer. Repeat the same process to seamlessly integrate additional offers within the Linktree platform. Having incorporated a variety of CPA offers tailored to different countries, replicate this process to compile a comprehensive list. Once you've finalized your list, click on the Share option and copy the generated Linktree link. Upon visiting this link, potential users will encounter a presentation similar to the one you see now. Clicking on any of the offers will seamlessly redirect them to your respective CPA offer. Now that your Linktree is equipped with diverse CPA links, the next step involves driving traffic to this page. However, instead of directly instructing individuals to visit the link for a $750 PayPal gift card, let's approach it in a more strategic manner. Although we will indeed promote the offers, we'll incorporate a clever twist. Before delving into that strategy, if you find the information valuable, feel free to express it by tapping the like button below. To channel traffic to your Linktree page, initiate the process by navigating to Facebook. In the search box, enter keywords like shopping coupons to identify groups related to shopping and coupons. Refine the results to display only groups and you'll find numerous options with thousands of members each. Begin by joining several of these groups. Once you've joined a group, craft a post that avoids direct promotion of the CPA offers. Instead, adopt a more engaging approach. For instance, you might express, "Discover how I saved $750 on Amazon." In today's world, online shopping is a part of our routine. What if I told you there's a way to shop without spending hundreds from your own pocket? It's true. You can enjoy shopping without draining up to $1,000 from your wallet. By framing your message in this manner, you create intrigue without explicitly mentioning the CPA offers. This subtle approach encourages users to click on your Linktree page to explore the potential savings, ultimately leading them to the CPA offers you've strategically presented. Remember, it's about engaging your audience with a compelling narrative rather than a direct call to action. To delve further into the intricacies of this opportunity, take the following comprehensive steps. Show your support and deepen your involvement by not only liking this post but also sharing it with your network of friends. Furthermore, to unlock the detailed information about this exclusive offer, initiate a direct message with me sharing your specific country name. It's crucial to note that we've intentionally refrained from including any direct links in the post. This strategic choice mitigates the risk of potential blocks or restrictions from group administrators, ensuring a seamless and unobtrusive engagement within these communities. By encouraging users to communicate their country name through direct messages, we achieve a dual-purpose strategy. Firstly, this serves as an organic and friendly way to initiate conversations with potential leads, fostering a sense of personalized interaction. Secondly, the information about their country is invaluable for tailoring our offerings to match regional preferences, enhancing the relevancy of our CPA offers. Upon receiving their country names, swiftly navigate to your Linktree page. In the event that the selected country is not already represented in your list of offers, proactively visit the CPAGrip website. There, diligently seek out an appropriate CPA offer tailored to the specified region. Seamlessly integrate this new offer into your Linktree page, ensuring a harmonious alignment with the existing portfolio of offerings. This dynamic and responsive approach guarantees that every lead generated is seamlessly directed to a relevant and enticing CPA offer, maximizing the chances of successful conversions. For a deeper understanding and further insights into the dynamic realm of CPA marketing, I invite you to explore additional videos on my channel. Your support matters, so don't forget to drop a like on this video. I eagerly anticipate engaging with you in the comments section, answering any queries and fostering a community of informed marketers.